Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission ke Hapoh ke Khmih jong Tnat Social Welfare ke Jylla haringkat ke Ïatreilang wat ke Eko India hak arflai triku kelalengkot arja arpusau kalau pli patba ya ke Eko launch training workshop ke arsengi ha State Convention Center Shillong wat ke ni kelempung ai jing hikai ke sedang mentah kesengi kan kot hak arpusau triku kelalengkot arja arpusau. Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission MECD kari ka way na ki mission ka badan ya ka Ïatreilang jong ka Tnat puli puthi ka kot ka khia ka social welfare ba ka Tnat community and rural development CNRD bat kani ka mission kari ka integrated project ka bapersang bantrai Bniah halor ka Jingsan Khynnah ha baro kiliang Habayo banyakran berupa Kyrwoh bade Chief Operating Officer ke Early Childhood Development ulaong. Bakani ke lempung ai jing hikai la penlong ban penithu bat pensngu thu ya karukom tray ke eco model ke bade ke innovative mentoring model for adult learning. Kani ke model ka longkum kerensan ke bepenyasno ya ki riu syampang hakilan kam beper da ke bependan kam ya ka bo technology ke ban penduna ya karukom yat karukom yeng ban syem benta haki training session.
So ka ningkong shwa kwa on crunch pang ka Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission kani ka mission on the Social Welfare Department bakala launch ka Government of Meghalaya and kani ka mission ka kwa banyatrei but different department, that is Social Welfare Department, ka Parent Department, Education Department, CNRD Department, limba ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Mission but ka Health Department. Di abangi implement ya ka Early Childhood Development Mission ni dan kamban reach out ya barakhat kini ki partners jungi both ki different department as well but kini ki frontline workers jungi ki badan ha ka field na benta kani ka vision ni dan kamban tray kambat ki different organization ki bala ban yarap yangi bakumno ngila ban reach out kini ki different partners jungi te limba kani ka jing thmu jungi ba limba ka use jong ka technology ni ka Government of Meghalaya through the office jong ka Development Commissioner jong ka Planning Department nila sign ka non-financial MOU with Eco India. So Eco India ka non-profit organization but ka don ka platform jong ki kabadi ka Zoom platform ka balong kum ka mentoring platform ba nila ban use ka technology jong ki ban don kini ki session but ki different partners jongi either different department or ki different frontline workers Hapoh ki department. So limba ka use jong kini ka platform nila ban don ki mentoring session but ki frontline workers. Let's say kumanta ngi under social welfare department ni don ki Anganwadi workers, limba ka health department ki don ki Asha workers, limba ka state rural livelihood mission ki don ki self help group community cadres. Tikini ki cadres manta ki tray her field kim don ki information let's say ki badon kam but ki ha ka kam jong ki te limba kani ka platform ka balong ka online platform nila ban create session kin long kum ki kinja online classes ne benta ki frontline worker te dina ta ka daw mentas ngi nila penlong ya kani ka partner learning training launch program but ke eco but mentas ngi don ki participant na ka social welfare department ki bade ki district program officers ki child development program officers ban ki staff jongi na ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society ki bade ki district mission manager ki block project manager but ni don ki participants from both social welfare and MSRs ki ba joining na Gabby Hills region limba kane ke eco platform. So we are also piloting it at the same time ha kane ka sngi but kane ka program kolong ban wanra ya ka Jingsan ki participant ke ibe ki laban le limba kane ka platform.
Lai turu ba ka office ka Development Commissioner la soy da ka non-financial MOU bat ka Eco India ban pendan kam da ka Eco model kum karensan ban kentiu ya kinong song. Hakas ngipli ka niga lumpong ai jing kai la yoru ka presentation ka bala ai da ka Anuradha Rai, Director Gender Equity India Pilot Project Eco ban pensyai hlor ka jing tray kam ka Eco model haka bala shimbenta daw Pravin Bakshi, Commissioner but Secretary ka Tnat Social Welfare kumukong san haringkat ka Ïatreilang uba Kyrwoh Chief Operating Officer ka Early Childhood Development ka Kong CD Lingwa ka Director jong ka Social Welfare Ramakrishna Chituri CEO MSRLS haka baki dukot jong ka Eco India ru kilai shimbenta kum ka Aditi Sarma Senior Manager Education, Ankita Rai Manager Education Team, Palas Tiwari Manager Training Team, ki officer ki Tnat baper bat kiwei